Hello, how are you? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I fixed my broken iPhone 11 screen. On April Fool's Day 2021, I dropped my iPhone 11 that was gifted to me in December. Technically, it was my tripod clasp that dropped it. There is a ring attached to the back of the phone case I was using at the time. This ring would prevent the clasp from gripping the phone firmly. I removed the phone from its protective case so as to avoid that issue. My tripod is also broken where the clasp joins to the stand itself. I used tape to keep it all attached together. While filming, I was trying to adjust the angle in which the phone was facing due to the loose clasp causing the phone to hang downwards. I was going to add a hairband to hold the clasp to the stand firmer and get an optimum angle. Somehow it just popped out and fell on the ground. It landed on one of its corners, and that's where the issues began with my iPhone 11 screen. The screen had not cracked, however what was displayed on the screen was highly disturbing. One side of the screen was black with a few lines and the other half was displaying normally but also with some vertical lines distortion. I went online to search for solutions to fix the screen. I was hoping it required an easy solution like a hard reset. It turned out to be a hardware problem, meaning the phone had to be taken apart and replacements needed to be done. I had to look for a third-party Apple repair service. I called Elite Digital and explained my issue. I ended up just traveling to their service center near Westgate. They confirmed the phone needed a screen replacement. I could take it there after the Easter holidays in the morning and pick it up by evening. The amount they were to charge me was over $300. That's Kenya shillings 30,000. Too much money. I researched the next day to see if I could get a screen replacement service for a lower price and in the process not have my phone destroyed further. I spent a couple of hours on Google looking at different third-party Apple repair shops. I was looking for a place that was in business for a while and had mostly good reviews over time. And if any bad reviews, the shop replied with understanding and clear intention to correct mistakes or misunderstanding. This is my problematic tripod stand with its issues. You can see this is life with cats. Can you just get off? I'm gonna show them what I got. Hey, this is the first time we got Subway. Well, first time-ish.
Yeah, show me.
Yeah.
What do you mean ish?
So I'm back home. I bought comfort food for my bad day. And I even bought some Indian sweets. Anyway, I'll just update you in a bit what the service center said. I think that's what they call themselves, service center. I don't know. Just know they fix phones. I got wings, the 8 pieces from Pizza Hut. Then this like pizza fries combo, so I call it just pizza combo. This is the meat lovers pizza. And then the barbecue pizza, chicken pizza, barbecue chicken pizza. And it has onions and green peppers, bell peppers. I hate the onions. How are the green bell peppers? Yeah. I'll be having some Sprite, and I bought this Indian sweets from Carrefour. Oops. Let me just show you one by one. So we have this one, which looks kind of like a rice ball to me, an orange rice ball. Oh, smells so good. And then we have this one, which is like a flat yellow thing that looks like a sweet potato. We have this thicker yellow box square that also looks like a sweet potato. Then we have this one, which is a square of something that looks like like ugali. Oh, it smells so good. They smell so good. These are sweets. And then we have this yellow one, which also looks like it has some coconut shreds, and it's made into this wonderful shape. Flower shape. They smell so good. Just if you haven't tried Indian sweets, just try this. And then we have this one, which is brown and also looks still like it has coconut. Let me smell it. Oh, everything smells so good. Then we have this one, which is a white. Now this one looks mostly like ugali or rice. Let me smell it. Ah, everything smells so nice. Almost quite similar. Then we have yet another yellow box. Yeah, I needed to buy myself some comfort food. Okay, then we have this white ball with like chocolate on top. I think that's it. That one smells almost the best, but they all just smell slightly similar. Then now we have like a smaller box. Oh, and this is green. Is it mint? Let me smell it. I took a small bite of that one. Anyway, I'm gonna sit here and eat this as dessert to feel better. Then I'll update you. And then I forgot to update, but I covered all that in the intro section of this video. Anyways, I found a third-party Apple repair service that fit my standards, one that was in business for some time. It's called Apple Center. It's on Moy Avenue, Bazaar Plaza, Mezzanine 1, Unit 2. Outfit of the day, this shirt, these jeans, and walk, pose. That's not sweat, it's perfume. Not that I care. Pose. On my avenue to see if I'll get my iPhone screen fixed. I'm going to a shop called Apple Center. So just wish me luck. Yeah. In transit to town to get my iPhone 11 screen replaced, they charged me a little bit over 15,000 Kenya shillings to replace the screen for me. So that's it's a lot better than 30,000 Kenyan shillings. I could have used more information on the iPhone 11 screen, but I cross my fingers and I hope they put in a good screen on my iPhone 11. And I took a video of the package of the replacement screen, just in case you would like to research more. Comment down below what you find out. So this you buy where?
Sorry?
Where did you buy this?
Buying these ones?
Yeah.
These are from Dubai.
This is the iPhone 11 with the new screen. I could not find screenshots I took after its repairs. I wanted to let you know I received a warning that is in my settings under General on the About section. The first 17 days after it was repaired, it showed on the main settings menu. It's just a warning by Apple that you don't have a genuine Apple display part and could be potentially harmful. I wonder if I used Elite Digital and paid over 30,000 Kenyan shillings, would I still have the warning? Oh well. So far so good. It hasn't exploded on me or anything. Initially when the screen was replaced, I noticed the blue tint that used to bother me, but now I don't. Either my eyes got used to it or the blue tint fades over time. I'm back home. So right now I just wanna do a mini haul for some things that I went shopping. I wasn't supposed to go shopping, but I did. So here we are. Okay, so I went to Homebox and I saw this really nice pillow, and I've been wanting like pillows. So I passed by Sarit and I found that they were having an art expo, and I bought. I'll show you the t-shirt later because I want to show you this first. I bought. Okay, my cat wants to unbox these, and can you believe those are egg-shelled? And yeah, and the lady, the business is called Tomodo. It means little people in Kikuyu.
Wow, beautiful.
Yeah, and yeah, she made this, wow, with eggshells, and it looks like so artistic. I would have thought it's like stone or something, but yeah, this is eggshells. And then, can you listen to that sound? ASMR. I just love the earthiness of it all. Oh yes. She likes that. Anyway, it's not really for eating, like on your dining table set or whatever. Just put this as a decoration. But I bought it to put it in there as a decoration. I got this beautiful decorative piece made of glass by the She Glass. Wow. And I was told I can go, wow, this is so nice. I can go to her studio. She even makes jewelry. I didn't even look at this. I was told I can go to her studio. I can book an appointment and go to her studio. And I guess look at more things. Wow. This is so nice. I was looking for a decorative piece for this table, and now we have it. Oh my god. A unique bigger glass like this. Yeah, and then there was one with like smaller glass pieces, like, so it has like sharper edges. And I have cats and they like to sniff on everything and also get rough around things. So this worked best. And also I like this more because it looks like small marble pebbles. Yeah, pebbles, rocks, that marble, whatever, I don't know. I'll insert a picture of the rock that I'm trying to talk about here. How's that cone? Yeah, and so, oh my god, this is so interesting, like all the elements of the universe. Just kidding. Okay, so we have wood here, then we have glass, then we have, I guess, clay, and then we have a metal. Oh my god. Let me just set them up. You see how good this is gonna look. Oh my god. So this is how it looks on the table. Oh, this is so cozy. Imagine I burnt the table.
Yeah, I'm remembering what happened.
I did. I burnt it with a candle. And that's how it looks from bird's eye view. Wow. Let me just get a little bit closer so you can just appreciate the detailing. Wow. And then this. I found this pink and African print. Oh my god, this feels so good. Like it's smooth, but it's fabric. African print apron for adults. And this was the only one that I saw like this color. Wear it like this, like as a half apron. See, that's what I did for myself. I just love it. Oh my god. So the lady who sold this to me is not on social media yet, but she said she has my number, so she'll just send me a message when she gets on social media, and then, you know, maybe I'll add it to the comments of this video one day. I hope so. This is so nice. Ooh. Along with the apron, I got this coasters. Yes, I am tired of ruining this table by placing cups with hot tea or hot chocolate, and you know how when you sip from a cup, sometimes there's some liquid left behind and it just drips down, it flows down the cup and onto like whatever surface you're placing. Anyway, so I don't know if getting cloth coasters was a good idea, but let's look at them. So yes, the biggest one, you put the kettle for tea, and then yes, the small ones are for the cups, wine glasses, regular glasses. So yes, that's how this looks. Oh my god, you can even use the coasters as decoration. Wow, that is art for you. Beautiful, stunning. I feel it. I love it. With a pot that I use as decoration on the table, I bought this t-shirt from same company, Tomodo. Yes. Let me put it on. This is me in my Tomodo t-shirt. Wow, look at that. I just love shirts with like minimalist art. Wow. This has become my favorite t-shirt. I just love it. I hope she makes more. Wow. I love it. Okay, so it's longer. I think this is a small. Wow, and I love the way it hugs my body. I like the way it feels also. Oh my god, classy t-shirt. Okay, so you can wear it like that. You can just fold it up like I had done before. It's just wonderful. It's a perfect fit for me. I like it. Mama like.